Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you, my dear students? I hope you all are good at your home and studying well. Welcome to our social studies class. Today we are going to start our lecture number 12, and it is connected to our previous unit. We have started in the last lecture, we have studied lesson 9, food, and it's from the unit 4, which is about the food and clothes. Hope you all remember what I have told you about the food, that food is very important for our life. Human being, animals, and birds cannot live without the food, and food gives us energy to do different work. And we get food from different ways from plants and animals. And hope you all have already learned the question answers. Now, the another lesson from this unit. Lesson 9 is about the food, and our lesson 10 is about the clothes. Another important thing for the human beings are the clothes, and they are very important for the human beings only, because human beings only wear clothes. But the food, all living things need the food, like animals, birds, even the plants need the food, but clothes only human beings needs to cover their body. Let's start and see what we have in this lesson. Let's read with me very carefully. If there are some difficult words, then listen carefully and try to read after the lecture again. People all over the world wear clothes. Clothes protect the body from heat and cold. What is the main thing of the clothes? Protect the body from heat and cold. In some parts of the world, it is very cold. People wear clothes made of wool and fur. Wool and fur are some thick clothes. That's why the people living in the cold places, they like to wear clothes made from wool and fur to keep warm. In other parts of the world, it is hot. People wear clothes made of cotton to keep cool. Men and women wear different clothes. In Pakistan, you will see people dressed like this. These are the dresses of different places of Pakistan. Pakistani children or Pakistani people used to wear these type of clothes like this. Also, they wear the other dresses like what we say, the frocks, pant shirt, maxis, these type of dresses. But usually, most of the people wear these types of dresses. As you know, the clothes are used, the most important thing of the clothes, that they are used for the protection from the different elements, rough surfaces, rash causing plants. If you go near to these type of plants which have thorn on them, then your clothes protect your skin and from insects, bites, splinters, by providing you barrier between the skin and the environment. Your clothes provide you barrier, means you can say it's a safety between the skin and the environment. If there are something not good for your skin, then your clothes protect you from these type of things. And also they can provide you hygienic barrier, keeping infections and toxic materials away from the body. And our clothes also provides protection from ultraviolet radiations which are present in our environment, in the environment of the world. These ultraviolet rays of sun Our clothes protect us from these harmful rays of radiation. Understand, children? And also, as you know, as they have told you here, that the clothes are used to protect our body from the different types of weather condition and provide us comfortable situation. Okay, so clothes are very important for us. Let's see what we have on the next page, number 28. Look, people in other countries dress in different kinds of clothes. As you all know, that different countries have their different national dresses. Here they told you about the Pakistani dresses, but in Saudi Arabia the dresses are different. In America the dresses are in different countries of the world. They have, the people living there have their dresses different from the other parts. Maybe uh, they have similar dresses, but mostly they are different from each other. As you can see here, these are the people from the different parts of the world. A Burmese lady in a cotton blouse and skirt. Look, this is the dress of a country named Burma. So it's a Burmese lady. Then a Japanese lady, a lady from Japan, dressed in a kimono. This dress, name of this dress is kimono. It's from the Japan. A Nigerian wearing a cotton robe like this. Look. This dress is from Nigeria, and Inuits' clothes are lined with fur. Do you know what is an Inuit? These are the people living in the northern part of the world, which are very cold. Look how this boy is wearing the dress to cover his body fully from head to toe. Full covered because the weather there is very cold. So they have to protect their body by wearing fur, by wearing the clothes made of wool and fur like this. Sometimes they also cover their faces. Even their faces become so cold that they cannot breathe or speak. So, because full, I think in northern part of the world, whole year they have snow falling. So that's why the weather there is very cold. Okay, now let's read. Special clothes are worn by people who are doing special jobs. Who are these people? Like dancer, soldier, an astronaut, a diver. It's not important that from which country they belong to. These dresses are not necessary for any other country, any different country, but these dresses are related to their jobs. A dancer needs beautiful clothes like this because she or he has to perform in front of people. So she wears beautiful clothes to attract the people. Then a soldier, look, soldier, mostly soldiers wear these type of dresses with the gun and the big boots and the helmet. Uh, a diver needs waterproof clothes. He's a diver. Look, his clothes. All part of the world, all the divers wear these type of clothes to keep him safe. Safe from what? Safe from water, and they need oxygen. Look, they have oxygen cylinder at the back to breathe inside the water, because if they breathe without the oxygen system inside the water with a bare mouth, then the water can go in their nose or mouth and they cannot breathe. So that's why they cover their faces with a kind of helmet where they have a pipe with oxygen cylinder and they can breathe easily inside the water. They call divers. A soldier wears a helmet, look, and strong boots. This is the special dress for the soldier because they perform special jobs. They do the special jobs. He's an astronaut. You know who is an astronaut? Astronaut is a person who goes to space. Understand, children? So in space, as you know, there is no light, no air, so how they can breathe there? So because of this reason, if they go to the space for some work, if their job is like this, if they go into the space, they have to wear this special suit for the breathing and to protect them. This helmet, they're supposed to wear this helmet, and also they have oxygen system in their special suits. These clothes are especially made for special jobs, for special persons. These dresses are belong to different countries, but these types of dresses, and there are many more different dresses which are related to jobs, but these are related to the job nature. These are from the countries, and these dresses are for the job purposes, that the what special work they do, so they have to wear these types of. Okay, let's see next what we have. This is cloth. There is a difference between clothes and cloth. Look the spelling, clothes, clothes and cloth. Let's read, then I will tell you. Clothes are made from fabric. Fabric is usually made of cotton, wool, silk, and other yarns. You can say cloth means fabric. The unstitched material or the unstitched fabric is called cloth, but when it comes into the shape of any dress, any special dress or any national dress, then we call it clothes, that what we can wear, and it is clothes. What it this is cloth without e and s, but with e and s we spell it clothes are made from fabric. So cloth is like a fabric, the unstitched material. And what it is usually made of cotton, wool, silk, and other yarns. Cotton comes from a plant. The cotton balls are picked by hand. They are taken to a factory and spun into yarn. Look, this is a cotton plant. They took it from the plant and then sent to the factories, different companies where there are special machines that make cloth are called powerful looms. Spun into yarn. The yarn is then made into different kinds of cotton fabric. So by cotton plant, you will get the cotton fabric. This is the machine that make cloth are called power looms. These are called power looms. They work with electricity and they work quickly. Cotton plant, cotton come from plants. Then where comes wool? Wool comes from sheep. Look, the fur of the sheep. The farmers or different people cut out the fur of the sheep, and then again this material sent to the factories, and by this they get the fabric of wool. It's for the fabric that it's for from this fabric the special clothes for the winter or for cold places they used to wear wool clothes. Then what we have, silk comes from silkworms. It's a small insect, just like wool comes from the sheep, then silk comes from the silkworm. It's a small insect which provide us silk. It's a kind of fabric and it looks very shiny and beautiful. Fabric is also made from chemicals. Look, these are the natural things: cotton plant, then sheep, then the insect. But also, fabric can made from chemicals artificially. Some names you might know are rayon and nylon. These type of fabrics are made from chemicals. They do not come from the natural things like plant or animals. They come from the chemicals. It means in different factories they used to join different chemicals and then made these type of fabric. Like plastic is also an artificial material, so they also make the fabric like rayon and nylon artificially by the use of different chemicals. Okay, then what they are saying here are some people working with cloth or clothes. Cloth can also be made on hand looms. Look, weaving. This is hand loom. This lady is working on cloth, just like this machine. This is power loom, but here it's a hand loom. They are preparing cloth. But here this man is stitching, means by cloth he is making a clothes. Are stitched in factories. Clothes are also stitched in factories. Clothes, you can say that ready to wear. They are already stitched and they are already made, so we buy them and wear them. But cloth need to stitch first. Then we wash the clothes and then we press and then we wear. So it's a very easy chapter to understand. Just revise it once. Look, it's about the clothes. First, we have learned about the food, then we have clothes. That people all over the world wear clothes, and clothes protect our body from heat, cold, from extreme weather, from the germs. Clothes protect us from the, you can say, the different hygiene, and it's a barrier from our skin and the environment. It protects us from the ultraviolet rays. Then we have different countries have different type of dresses. Then special jobs needs special dresses to protect their body. And from where we get the cloth: from the cotton plant, from the sheep, from silkworm. And also cloth are made from rayon and nylons. Then cloth can also be made by the hand looms, and then it is stitched. And then if we want to wear, then we wash them, iron them, and wear these clothes and become a good personality. Clothes also shows our personality, that which type of dresses we are wearing. Okay, good. I hope you all understood this. It's about your clothes. Right now, you are wearing clothes and they are very important to wear. We cannot live without clothes. Nowadays, we must wear clothes while going outside or anytime. We need to wear clothes to protect our body, to make ourselves safe. Okay, children? Okay. So try to wear which your mothers provide you different type of clothes. Just respect your mothers, and whatever she asks you to wear, you have to wear these things, because nowadays it's winter, the weather is cold. Your mothers gives you to wear sweaters, jackets, high necks or full sleeves. Then you must wear to protect yourself from the cold weather. Okay, children? Good. Now we have the question answers. What kind of clothes keep us warm? Where does wool come from? What clothes do you wear at school? What fabrics are they made of? Let's see question answers. I have already prepared it for you. Then you have to write these question answers. There are four only, very small answers. Don't worry, writing is very important for you. So every day you must write something in your notebooks to make your writing good and attractive. And try to write carefully. Each letter should be clear and there is a space between words, and each letter should be of equal size like this. Don't make your writings dirty because then your notebooks doesn't look good. Okay, let's see the question answers. Number 1, what kind of clothes keep us warm? Clothes made of wool and fur keep us warm. Number 2, where does wool come from? Wool comes from sheep. Number 3, what clothes do you wear at school? Answer is we wear white shirt and blue pant. It's for the boys. Girls can write the green and white. We wear the green shirt and white trousers. Boys write this, we wear white shirt and blue pant, and girls can write green shirt and white trousers. Number 4, what fabrics are they made of? What made of means your school dress. What fabric is used in your school dresses? So the answer is they are made of cotton. Okay, children? Okay. Now this is our work page. Let's see what we have. Yes, this is work page number 31. And they are asking about the question, how many differences can you find in the clothes of these people, an Inuit and a Nigerian? Okay, let's see here. I make it split the page and then so it is clear for you. This is exercise A of your work page. How many differences can you find in the clothes of these people? First of all, you have to write. If you want to write in your book, then do it about the Inuit. And Inuit clothes are made of wool and fur. Look, what is the difference? Clothes are made of wool and fur. And for the Nigerian, clothes are made of cotton and silk. He lives in a cold country and he lives in a hot country. So clothes are different. Okay, why are their clothes different? The answer is because an Inuit lives in cold country and a Nigerian lives in a hot country. That's why they have a difference in their clothes. Write this in your work page in the book. No need to write in your notebooks. If you want to write, then you can go for it, but write it, complete the work page in your book. Then the exercise B and C is here. What they are asking here, answer the following questions. Why does a soldier or policeman need special clothes? Why? Because they do a special job. I think here you can cut they do special jobs. Do not write this A because they do special jobs. Only this. Don't write A. It's wrong here. It's by mistake, writing mistakes. A will not come here because they do special jobs. Why does a doctor wear a white coat? Let me correct it for you. Then it will easy for you to understand. 1 minute. Look, here I cut the A. It's okay now. Good. Now we come again. Here. Yes, look, it is correct now. Because they do special jobs. The word, or you can say the letter A, is for the single things, but when you are using your S, it means plural. So you should not write A because they do special jobs. This is the correct answer. So write this one in your work page. Okay, question number 2. Why does a doctor wear a white coat? Because white color shows the life and purity. Because in the hospitals the patients are sick and they feel very low there, and they need to encourage themselves, they need to make a will in them to be healthy and to become towards the life. So that's why doctors wear the white coat, because the white color shows the life and purity. Okay, children. Now in exercise C, they are asking, can you name some different kinds of fabric? Different kind of fabrics are, we know this, cotton, rayon, silk, nylon. These are the names of fabric: cotton, rayon, silk, nylon. Now your work page is done here. Then what we have next? Yes, the true false. We also have true false from each lesson. Let's see. Write true or false against each statement. Number 1, wool comes from cow. Is it correct? From where wool come? Wool comes from the sheep. So if there is written wool comes from cow, it means it's a false statement. Wrong. This sentence is wrong. A teacher wears a helmet and strong boots. Do you think? Have you seen any teacher wear a helmet and a strong boots? Of course not. The soldiers wear a helmet and strong boots. So if there is written a teacher, then it's a false statement. This sentence is wrong. Cross. Clothes are made from fabric. Yes, it's true. Clothes protect the body from heat and cold. Yes, it's also true. Silk comes from silkworms. Yes, true. Now these true false you must write in your notebooks. And listen one thing, if you got the notes from the school, children, then maybe there is written true. So be careful. I'm telling you here, this is the wrong sentence. It's false. Make it false in your notes also. If you got the notes, you bought the notes from the school, then correct it in your copies. Okay, children? Okay. Then that's all for today. Inshallah, we'll see you in the next week. Hope you all learn everything and be prepared for your second term exams. Thank you.